To change the lamps in the scanner 3, you'll need to access the lamp compartment. To do that, you need to remove the cover. Usually there's 2 screws, and then you may have another cover here. Just lift that up. Then you're able to access the lamp compartment. After the cover of the lamp chamber is removed and you've turned off the scanner 3, you can then view the inside of the lamp chamber. You can see that we have here the Deuterium, the Tungsten, and the Mercury lamp. To replace the Mercury lamp, we will first need to unplug here. Carefully pull on the plastic piece. Then you will need to loosen the screws. There's 2 screws. Then you can twist the lamp. And then carefully pull it up. Like so. Then with the replacement lamp, you need to make sure that the glass opening, the hole in the glass, faces towards the outside. So outside pointing away from the center. So you line that up with the 2 screws. Should be able to slide that in there. Make sure that the wires go inside of the little slit, the little opening. Then you can turn the lamp, tied in the 2 screws. And then plug in the wires. To replace the tungsten lamp, all you need to do is, while wearing gloves, is you can just pull directly upwards, like so, and you can see we've removed the tungsten lamp. Then with the new one, there's no front or back, but what you do is you stick the 2 prongs inside the same little holes. You just push that in carefully. To replace the deuterium lamp, we first need to unplug the wires here. Just remove it here. Sometimes it can be difficult to remove that. And then you need to make sure that you loosen the screws. There's 2 of them. There's one here. And the other one over here. Then you should be able to twist the lamp and carefully pull out the lamp. Then with the new lamp, make sure that you see on here, there's the front part where it has a hole there. It's not a hole in the glass, it's a hole in the piece of metal on the inside. You need to have that facing towards the outside of the center here, so facing towards the outside. And then with the wires here, you want to position those so it goes inside of the little groove that's down here. Then line it up with the 2 screws. There's 2 holes there, and then you should be able to twist it into position. Then tighten the screws. And then plug it in. Make sure you push that in nice and tight. After the lamp has been replaced and you have put the cover back onto the lamp compartment and turn back the instrument on, you will need to access the user dialog. To do that, you press the reset button, hold that in, and then press the right arrow. Then let go of the reset button, and that will take you to the user dialog. You need to press enter by pressing the right arrow, Then it gives you a couple different options. Pressing the right arrow scrolls on to the next one. You'll see the first lamp is the D2, which is Deuterium lamp. The HG, which is Mercury lamp. Then the W lamp, which is the Tungsten. And you can keep scrolling back in by pressing the right arrow until you find the appropriate lamp. And we're going to go for the deuterium lamp. If that's the one you want, you'll see a down arrow. So you press the down arrow, and then it will ask you if you want to confirm by pressing load. And that will start the procedure for the new lamp, to initialize the new lamp. So we'll press load. The lamp will then initialize. The lamp will turn on, and it will take a period of time for it to warm up depending upon which lamp that you selected. Then we'll start the self-adjusting step. We'll then start measuring the lamp. And then the lamp is finished. And to exit out of the user dialog, you need to quit by pressing the left arrow. That will then reset the instrument.